Welcome to Fluent Flow Learning, where we teach English based on real life and strong foundations. Have you ever felt like your English doesn't sound the same as native speakers, even when your words are correct? That's because English has a rhythm, and once you find it, your speech starts to flow naturally. Today, I'm going to show you how to feel stress and rhythm so your English sounds clear, confident, and natural. In English, one part of the word gets more energy. You say it a little louder, longer, and clearer. That's the stress syllable. Stretch the strong part, soften the rest. For example, table. Stretch te, soften bull. Pretty. Stretch pri, soften t. Doctor. Stretch doc, soften tur. Teacher, stretch T, soften chur. Happy, stretch hap, soften P. Window, stretch win, soften do. Stretch the strong part, shorten the weak part, say it normally. Try these: doctor, teacher, happy, window, family, Sunday. Flow tip. If the whole word sounds equal, you lose English rhythm. Rhythm equals how stressed and unstressed words connect. Here's the technique. Tap your hand on your leg for stress words. Slide your hand for the soft words. For example, tap for I want, slide for tap for cup, slide for of, tap for coffee. Say it slowly with tapping. I want a cup of coffee. Let's get into some rhythm practice. She's going to the market. I need to buy some apples. They're waiting for the bus right now. It's a beautiful day. Let's go. Flat versus flowing. Flat. I need to buy some apples. Flowing. I need to buy some apples. Flow tip 2. Let the stress words lead the sentence. Let's get into some real-life conversation. Hey Asher, are you going to the market later?
Yeah, I need to buy some apples and vegetables.
Oh, nice. Can you get me some oranges too? I'm making juice.
Sure. Do you want the sweet ones or the big ones?
The sweet ones, please. Take a look to see which words were stressed and why. Stress on go plus mar. Stress words lead the meaning. Stressed because it's the important idea. Stressed for contrast. Now repeat after me. Are you going to the market later? I need to buy some apples. Can you get me some oranges too? The sweet ones, please. Flow tip 3. Stress helps the listener understand what matters. Let's put another example together. The doctor is seeing new patients. Stretch the strong parts, tap the strong words. Flow tip 4. Slow down the stress words. Everything becomes easier. Quick recap. Today we covered every word has one strong part. Sentences have strong words. Rhythm equals strong, light, strong, light. Stress shows what matters. Follow the beat for natural flow. Here's some homework. Pick one English sentence, tap the strong words, stretch the stress syllables. Repeat this 5 times. In the comments, write what sentence you practiced and did the rhythm feel natural. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time on Fluent Flow Learning.